Yeah, today I'm going to show you how to see all your social networks password. Yes, if you have created an account with Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and all that, I'm going to show you how to check your password if you have even forgotten them. So you go to your Gmail, wait for your Gmail open. You come to the top right corner here where you have your image here. Then you come to Google account. After that, you switch into security. You swipe down here, come to where you have your saved passwords. Your saved passwords. Right now, you can see that it said you have 63 passwords saved in your Google account. So let's see the account that I have with those social platforms. So as you can see right now, all these apps are the account that I have created and I have password in it. So if you want to retrieve any password using these apps, you can just click on it and you see all your password here. Right now, Instagram, swiping your. So if I want to see my Instagram password, I just click on the eye icon here. Then I see my Instagram password here.